Welcome to the bonus video. I'm gonna make royal milk tea using the leftover sugar at the bottom. Quite difficult to clean usually. If you leave it, it'll harden. So I'm gonna add a little bit of milk, a little bit of tea, and just make a quick little milk tea. Do 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 do.
Do I have any black tea in here? Might be out.
Actually, I have only one of these left. Just seems like it could be a waste.
One? That looks like a lot more than
Hi-ya.
one.
Squirrel that away. So good.
Is it? Because it's tea and tea's gross.
Oh, is it? Because it's tea and you're gross. How's that for a comeback? Did it? Nah.
Clever girl.
Yes. Okay, so you guys can see the color change.
Mm-hmm.
Just using the milk to loosen up the caramel that's at the bottom. And it's just gonna be like a natural little sugar caramel flavor to this tea. Don't let the milk boil. If the milk boils, it'll get all like that scaldy skim taste to it.
There you go, that's royal milk tea. Did it. Pretty easy.
And now I can clean this pot, and now I can drink some tea. If you'll excuse me. Happy that I made this bonus video, royal milk tea. It's like a 30-second video. I had to extend it out. Put on 27 ads in between.
I didn't.